Is it really good for you? Watch our video, so we'll share our own experience. Watch till the end so you won't make any mistakes, and let's get started.
I've been using Notion for project management and building a team wiki for around 6 months now, and overall, it's one of the most flexible and powerful organization tools available. But it's not always the fastest or easiest system to set up properly. First, the biggest advantage is flexibility. Notion lets you build almost anything: project boards, task lists, databases, documentation systems, and full internal wikis. It feels more like a blank workspace that you can design around your exact workflow. Another strong point is combining everything in one place. You can manage projects, store company knowledge, track tasks, and write documentation without switching between different tools. For teams, this centralization is a big productivity boost. I also liked the wiki functionality. It's very effective for organizing knowledge bases, onboarding documents, and internal processes. Once structured properly, it becomes a very powerful reference system for teams. But there are also some downsides. The biggest issue is setup complexity. Notion doesn't give you a ready-made structure, so you have to build everything yourself. If you don't plan it well, it can quickly turn into a messy collection of pages and databases. Another downside is performance. With large databases or heavily linked pages, it can sometimes feel slower compared to more specialized project management tools. Also, while it's very flexible, it doesn't have as many built-in project management features, like advanced reporting, time tracking, or automation without extra setup or integrations. And finally, team adoption can be a challenge because everyone needs to understand how your system is structured. Overall, Notion is an extremely powerful tool for project management and building a team wiki if you want full control and customization. It helped me organize projects and knowledge much more efficiently over the past months. But it works best for teams that are willing to design and maintain their own system instead of relying on a pre-built workflow.